Hi, this is Jason Fielder with the Daily Forex Report for August 4th. Currently looking at the US Japanese yen pair. This particular pair closed down today just by a little bit, creating a doji bar. We are moving sideways. Definitely look for a breakout in this pair, biased to sideways. Look for this pair to possibly go as high as 96.06, possibly as low as 93.67. Look for some resistance around 95.55 and look for some support around 94.50 in this particular pair. Now, switching over to the Euro USD pair, this particular pair we have closed down, created a doji inside bar. Definitely could get a breakout out of this or a possible reversal. Not sure. We'll definitely have to keep an eye on this one over the next session. Now, look for this pair to possibly go as high as 145.21, possibly as low as 142.79. Look for some resistance around 144.50 and look for some support around 143.65 in this particular pair. Now, switching over to the pound US dollar pair, this particular pair did close up and made a new high, but did not sustain that. So I don't know if we're just pausing within this quick little trend we've had, or if this quick little trend is going to reverse and be just that, just a quick little trend. Definitely have to keep an eye on it. I am looking for this pair to hit some resistance around 1,700, similar to what it did during today's session. Look for some support around 168.84 in this particular pair. Now, switching over to the US Swiss, this pair created an inside bar as well, did move higher, closed up, overall moving sideways, biased definitely to the downside. Look for this pair to possibly move as high and hit some resistance around 106.20 and look for some support around 105.59 in this particular pair. Now, as far as news announcements goes, looking at the pound releasing their gross domestic product estimates for June at 7:01 p.m. tomorrow. No consensus given. The last one was negative 0.4%. So definitely keep an eye on that. We could definitely get could definitely move the market to some degree. The GDP estimates are, are fairly good at producing movement. Not always, but some of the time it does. Now, what I want to show you tonight is a new app that we've created called the Forex Executor Pro. It's a script. You can't see me, but I'm clicking on a script right now. It brings this up, and as you can see, it pulls my buy order that I have already in the market in this onto the screen. And it does that. If I try to delete the order, it'll tell me, this is live. If you go ahead, it will close out that position. But what this allows you to do, if you're worried about your broker doing stop hunting or grabbing, determining where your stops are in the market, it allows you to keep these private. It also allows you to do some of the order functionality that has been lost due to some of the recent changes that the NFA's made in the Forex market. Currently, this low is at 1.0592, so I'm going to go ahead and put that in there, and we'll see if we can actually get a trade that's triggered. Let's see here, and that is at 1.592. So let's put that in there, 1.0591. So we'll go 1 pip below it. The cool thing is you can put in the stop loss if you want 20 pips, automatically fills it in for you. This is going to be a sell stop. You can do a buy stop, sell stop, buy limit, sell limit. If you want to do a quick 2 pip profit, you can definitely do that. You can hit place, and that's successfully placed. Now we will have that in the market. You can also do, let me close this out real quick and bring another chart up. Okay, let me drop this back down. If we want to show lines, we can do that. I don't know if you can see them or not, but we have the yellow and red lines there showing a entry and a take profit there. If I want to do an OCO order, one cancels the other, you can do that. So I have that one order already. Let's say I wanted to bracket the market. So I wanted to take this high, which is currently at 1.50, 1.0595, and that's a buy stop. I could do that with a 2-pip profit. I could go ahead and place that, entering on the wrong side of the market. So if you place a buy where it shouldn't be, you will definitely get that, and then you can adjust your particular numbers as needed. Successfully done. Then you can just hit shift and highlight both of them and do an OCO order, which means if the market were to come down, it would cancel this order. If it's to go up, it would cancel this order. So you can actually bracket the market. You can modify the orders. We have break-even stops. We also have a trailing stop, pip for pip trailing stop, or you can set it to be, say, 10 pips in a profit before you want it to start trailing. So that's another functionality that we have with our new app. You also can delete orders, of course. We have options. You can be emailed. If you put in your cell phone number and your basically your cell phone email address, you can have text come that will tell you when an order's open, order's closed, break even. You can have auto alerts generated as well. You can define your slippage parameters, and you can also click to see if you want to confirm for slippage. So you can have all that done really quick. Hopefully this will tick down real soon and over the next minute or so, and I can show you exactly how this particular app functions live if it were to tick down. Let's see if we can do a stop order that's just a little bit closer to the market. I'm going to place that one. So now if it ticks down, one tick will be in that particular trade. Not sure if it'll do it. This app, however, you can find this at the following address. You can go to www.Forex Executor Pro.com. And it just ticked down and did trigger that trade. If you notice, there we go. If you notice right here, we have a new ticket order that's showing that that has been triggered. So it did tick down and get us into that trade. And it's instantaneous, very useful app. If you like to scalp the market, if you don't want your broker knowing what you're doing, this is a great app to trade with. Well, that about does it for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.